90% drivers have no idea their tires are quietly stealing $60 a month in gas every year. Mechanics know exactly which tire brands drain your gas tank, and most people never connect the two. Today, I'm exposing the 5 worst tire brands killing your fuel economy and 7 that actually save you money at the pump. Let's start with the worst brands. Number 5. Ironman. Ironman tires are everywhere. Discount tire shops, online deals, buy 3 get 1 free promotions. They typically sell for $60 to $70 a tire. Ironman is manufactured by Hercules Tire, and their focus is purely on hitting a low price point. The rubber compound is hard, the sidewalls are stiff, and the rolling resistance is among the worst in independent testing. A 2024 tire rack comparison tested the Ironman GR906 against the Michelin Defender. Same car, same route, same conditions. The Michelin returned 32 miles per gallon. The Ironman with 27.5 miles per gallon gone. But here's what most drivers never realize. Over 40,000 miles at $3.50 a gallon. That 5 miles per gallon gap costs you $780 extra in fuel. You saved $120 buying the cheap tires and paid $660 more at the pump. Ironman is not saving you money. It is a trap. And tire shops keep recommending it because the markup is double what they earn on premium brands. Number 4. Falken. Now this one surprises people because Falken has a reputation. They are known for performance. They sponsor motorsports. Their marketing is aggressive. But here's the scary part. Falken's most popular all-season tire, the ZX-ZE960, has rolling resistance numbers that rival off-road truck tires. In Consumer Reports testing, the ZX scored a 3 out of 10 for rolling resistance. That means this tire fights your engine every single rotation. A customer comes in complaining their Camry gets 24 miles per gallon when it should get 30. They put Falkens on 6 months ago. They think something is wrong with their engine. Nothing is wrong with the engine. The tires are drinking their gas. Falken prioritizes wet grip and cornering feel, which is great for a sports car. But for the average driver doing a highway commute in a sedan or SUV, you are paying for capabilities you never use and sacrificing 3 to 4 miles per gallon to get them. That is $400 to $600 a year in wasted fuel for grip you will never need. But here's the bonus most drivers never hear about. Falken does make one tire that is excellent for fuel economy, the ZX ZE950. It is their older model, but it has significantly lower rolling resistance. Most tire shops push the newer 960 because it has a higher profit margin. Ask specifically for the 950 or skip Falken for fuel economy altogether. Number 3. Goodyear Wrangler. Goodyear makes some excellent tires. Their Assurance line and their Eagle line are genuinely good. But the Wrangler series, which is standard equipment on millions of trucks and SUVs, is one of the worst offenders for rolling resistance on the market. The Wrangler All-Terrain Adventure has a rolling resistance coefficient of 0.012. The Michelin LTX, a comparable all-terrain tire, comes in at 0.008. That 33% difference translates to 2 to 3 miles per gallon on a typical truck. Over a year of driving, that is $400 to $500 in extra fuel. But here's the part no one tells you. Goodyear knows this. That is why they make the Wrangler Fuel Max, a version specifically designed for lower rolling resistance. But go to a tire shop and ask for Wranglers. 9 times out of 10, they will sell you the standard all-terrain Adventure. The Fuel Max sits in the back because it carries a lower margin for the shop. You have to ask for it by name. If you are running Wranglers and your truck's MPG has dropped since you got them, now you know why. Number 2. Mastercraft. Mastercraft is owned by Cooper Tire. Cooper is owned by Goodyear. So you would think, same factory, same quality, same engineering, just a different name. Partially true. But here's the scary part. Mastercraft tires use older rubber compounds and simplified tread designs to keep costs down. And those older compounds have significantly higher rolling resistance than even the Cooper equivalents. The Mastercraft strategy, all-season costs $75 a tire. The Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring, made in the same factory, costs $115, $40 more per tire. But the Mastercraft returns 26 miles per gallon, where the Cooper returns 31, 5 miles per gallon. Over 40,000 miles, That $40 per tire savings costs you $720 in extra fuel. You saved $160 on the purchase. You lost $560 more at the pump. But here's what most drivers don't know. Tire shops push Mastercraft hard because the margin is enormous, sometimes 40% versus 15% on Coopers. The shop makes more money. You lose more gas. Everyone wins except you. If you are on a fixed budget and need affordable tires, the Cooper CS5 is the better value. Number 1. Westlake. If you have ever bought tires from a discount website or a budget tire shop, you have seen Westlake. They sell for $55 to $65 a tire. They look fine. They have decent tread patterns. But here's the part no one tells you. Westlake tires are manufactured by Jiangxi Rubber in China, the largest tire manufacturer in the world by volume. Their focus is mass production at the lowest possible cost, and rolling resistance is the first thing they sacrifice. Independent testing by AutoBuild in Europe tested the Westlake SA37 against the Continental TrueContact. Same size, same car, the Continental returned 33 miles per gallon. The Westlake, 25, 8 miles per gallon. Gone, 8 miles per gallon. Over 15,000 miles a year at $3.50 a gallon. That is $1,100 in extra fuel. You paid $240 for 4 tires and spent 4.5 times that in wasted gas. A customer came into my shop last year with a Honda Accord getting 19 miles per gallon on a car rated for 30. I checked everything. Engine, sensors, transmission, all fine. Then I looked at the tires. Westlake. I put Continental TrueContacts on. His next fill-up, 29 miles per gallon, 10 miles per gallon restored. That is $930 a year back in his pocket. Westlake does not save you money. Westlake is the most expensive cheap tire you will ever buy. Those are the 5 worst. But this video is not just about what to avoid. Let me show you 7 tire brands that actually save you gas, starting with one that pays for itself in fuel savings alone. Before the next part, hit like and subscribe button. Brand number 7, Michelin Defender, the gold standard for low rolling resistance. And here's what most drivers never realize. Michelin spends more on rubber compound research than any tire company on earth. The Defender uses a silica-based compound called Evergrip that maintains low rolling resistance even as the tire wears down. Most tires get worse fuel economy as they age because the rubber hardens. The Defender actually maintains its efficiency for nearly the full life of the tire. In tire rack testing, the Defender returned 33 miles per gallon on a Toyota Camry, where the average all-season tire returned 29.4 miles per gallon, better than average. Over 40,000 miles at $3.50 a gallon, that is $560 in fuel savings. The Defender costs $145 per tire. That is more than most. But here's the bonus. Most drivers never hear about. Those fuel savings mean the tire pays for the price difference in about 8 months. After that, it is pure money in your pocket. If you want the best and you are willing to pay for it, this is the one. Number 6, Continental TrueContact Tour. Consumer Reports, number 1, rated all-season tire. And here's the part no one tells you. Continental uses the same proprietary rubber compound in the TrueContact that they use in their $75 more premium Continental Pure Contact. The only difference is the tread pattern and the name on the sidewall. The TrueContact Tour delivers 90,000 miles of tread life, which is 15,000 more than Michelin Defender. Its rolling resistance is so low it matches dedicated fuel-saver tires that are built for nothing but miles per gallon. In real-world testing, the TrueContact returned 32 miles per gallon on a Honda Accord, where the OEM tire returned 28. 4 miles per gallon restored. That is $560 a year in fuel savings at $125 per tire. This is the best value in tires, period. You get Michelin-level fuel savings at a lower price with longer tread life. But here's what most drivers don't know. Tire shops rarely lead with Continental because the margin is thinner than Michelin. You have to ask for it by name. Do it. Number 5, Bridgestone Ecopia. Designed from the ground up for one purpose: fuel economy. And here's what makes the Ecopia different from everything else on this list. Most fuel-saving tires sacrifice wet grip or tread life to hit low rolling resistance numbers. Bridgestone solved this with a nano-protec rubber compound that reduces energy loss at the molecular level without hardening the tire. The result? Rolling resistance reduced up to 42% versus standard Bridgestone tires, with no loss in wet stopping distance. 2 to 4 miles per gallon improvement on most vehicles, 110 per tire. Over a year of highway commuting, that is $300 to $500 in fuel savings. But here's the bonus most drivers never hear about. The Ecopia also runs cooler than standard tires, which means the rubber ages slower. You get the fuel savings up front, and the tire lasts longer on the back end. If you do mostly highway driving, this tire was built for your commute. Number 4. Hankook Kinergy ST Korean engineering at its absolute best. And here's what most drivers never realize. Hankook is the 7th largest tire manufacturer in the world. They supply original equipment tires to Audi, BMW, and Mercedes. But their store brand reputation still says budget tire to most people. That reputation is wrong. The Kinergy ST uses a high silica compound with a rib block design that keeps the tread footprint flat and stable. Flat footprint means less deformation. Less deformation means less rolling resistance. Less rolling resistance means more miles per gallon. In independent testing, the Kinergy ST returned 31 miles per gallon on a Hyundai Sonata, where the OEM Kumho returned 27, 4 miles per gallon. Over a year, that is $480 in fuel savings at $100 per tire. You are getting premium performance at a mid-range price. Do not let the brand name fool you. This tire belongs on the same list as Michelin and Continental. Number 3. Yokohama Avid Ascend GT. And here's the scary part about this tire. It outlasts Michelin. 85,000-mile tread life, 10,000 more than the Michelin Defender. Most drivers assume Michelin is the longevity king. It is not. Yokohama uses a compound they call orange oil, yes, derived from actual orange peels, which keeps the rubber flexible at high temperatures. Flexible rubber means lower rolling resistance across the full temperature range, not just in lab conditions. The Avid Ascend GT returned 32 miles per gallon in testing versus 28 for the average competitor. 4 miles per gallon, 115 per tire, $480 a year in fuel savings. Plus, you replace the tire 10,000 miles later, which spreads your purchase cost over more miles. Better ride comfort too. If you want longevity and fuel savings without the Michelin price tag, Yokohama delivers both. Number 2. Firestone Champion Fuel Fighter. The name says it all. And here's what most drivers don't know. Firestone is owned by Bridgestone. The Fuel Fighter uses a derivative of Bridgestone's Nano Protec compound at a lower price point. It was engineered specifically to compete with Michelin's Energy Saver at $65 less per tire. In Consumer Reports testing, the Fuel Fighter returned 30 miles per gallon on a Chevy Malibu, where the average all-season tire returned 27.3 miles per gallon. $360 a year in fuel savings at $95 per tire. Comparable fuel savings to the Bridgestone Ecopia at $15 less per tire. But here's the part no one tells you. Firestone dealerships will often bundle the Fuel Fighter with a free rotation and balance package because Firestone wants market share in the fuel economy segment. Ask about the bundle. If you are loyal to American brands but want better MPG, this is your tire. Firestone finally built something worth buying for fuel economy. Number 1. General Altimax RT43. And here's why this tire is the smartest money on this list. General is owned by Continental. The Altimax RT43 uses the exact same rubber compound technology as the Continental TrueContact. The tread pattern is slightly different. The sidewall says General instead of Continental, but the science inside the tire is nearly identical. And here's what most drivers never realize. The Altimax RT43 costs $95 per tire. The Continental TrueContact costs $125, $30 less per tire. For the same engineering. Over 4 tires, that is $120 saved at checkout with virtually the same fuel economy. In testing, the Altimax returned 31 miles per gallon versus 32 for the Continental. 1 miles per gallon difference. That is $140 a year in fuel, but you saved $120 on the purchase. The net cost difference over a full year is roughly $20. For Continental engineering, Continental fuel savings, and you keep 40% more money in your wallet the day you buy them. 60,000-mile tread life. Excellent rolling resistance. The smart money choice, period. Here's the bottom line. Your tires are the only part of your car that touches the road, and they are the single most overlooked factor in how much you spend on gas. The wrong brand can cost you $800 or more every single year. The right brand can put that money back in your pocket. Mechanics know which tires drain your wallet. Now you do too. It is basic financial awareness that keeps you from being taken advantage of at the tire shop. If you learned even one thing today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real mechanic knowledge the industry does not want you to have.